Let's explore some powerful JavaScript array methods: map, filter, and reduce. First, the map method transforms each element in an array and returns a new array. Next, the filter method creates a new array with elements that pass a test. Finally, the reduce method accumulates values in an array into a single result. That's a quick overview of map, filter, and reduce. Use these methods to handle array data more effectively. Let's explore JavaScript iterables and see how they make looping and data handling easier. Iterables are objects that can be iterated over using a for-off loop or other iteration methods. Common iterables include arrays and strings. Here's a basic example using an array, which is an iterable. Use the for-off loop to iterate over any iterable object, including arrays, strings, and custom iterables. That's a quick overview of JavaScript iterables. Try using them to simplify your code and manage data more efficiently. Let's explore object keys, object values, and object entries to better handle object properties in JavaScript. Object keys returns an array of an object's own enumerable property names. Objects values returns an array of an object's own enumerable property values. Object entries returns an array of an object's own enumerable property key value pairs. That's a quick look at object keys, object values, and object entries. Use these methods to efficiently manage and manipulate object data. Let's explore JavaScript JSON methods and the toJSON method to handle JSON data efficiently. JSON stringify converts a JavaScript object into a JSON string, making it easy to store or transmit data. JSON parse converts a JSON string back into a JavaScript object, allowing you to work with the data in your code. Use the toJSON method to customize how objects are serialized to JSON. That's a quick look at JSON stringify, JSON parse, and toJSON. Use these to handle JSON data and customize serialization in your projects. Let's dive into error handling in JavaScript using try-catch. The basic syntax of try-catch allows you to run code that might throw an error and handle it if it occurs. In the catch block, you can handle the error and prevent your program from crashing. Optionally, use the finally block to execute code regardless of whether an error was thrown. That's a quick guide to try-catch. Use it to handle errors gracefully and keep your code running smoothly. Let's dive into JavaScript promises and see how they help manage asynchronous operations. A promise represents a value that may be available now, in the future, or never. It's a way to handle asynchronous operations. Here's how to create a promise and handle its outcome. You can chain multiple then calls to handle successive asynchronous operations. Handle errors at any point in the chain with catch. That's a quick overview of JavaScript promises. Use them to handle asynchronous operations and manage results or errors effectively. Let's explore how to simplify asynchronous code with async and await in JavaScript. Async and await make handling asynchronous operations more straightforward and readable by allowing you to write asynchronous code that looks like synchronous code. Define an async function to enable the use of await inside it. Use await to pause execution until a promise is resolved. It simplifies the code for handling asynchronous results. Handle errors in async functions with try-catch blocks for cleaner and more controlled error management. That's a quick guide to using async and await. Write cleaner and more readable asynchronous code in JavaScript.